Very soon it will be Carnival, and we wanted to show you our 3 favorite ways to make masks with the kids. Let's see which one is your favorite. Today we make masks with a Gato rainbow and a Gata moon. For the first one we will need black cardboard, scissors, tissue paper of different colors, and clear contact paper. We start by folding the black cardboard in half. And we're going to draw half of a mask. I'm going to do this design. And now we cut it out folded so that it is completely symmetrical. And now we're going to cut off the center of the mask, so we'll keep the border. It should look like this. And now with the black cardboard that we've left, we're going to make the eyes. We cut it like this. So that we have 2 eyes. And now we put the contact paper with a lot of patience because it will stick to your fingers. And now we put the mask that we just cut. And we can't forget to put the eyes. And now we're going to cut out the tissue paper into very small pieces. The more colors that you use, the prettier it will look. And now the kids will love this part. They have to decorate their mask using the paper that we just cut. When we have covered the whole mask, we're going to put another piece of contact paper on top. We glue it all well, and now we're going to cut it very close to the edge. We also cut out the inside of the eyes. And look how cool! It looks beautiful. You can also put it in the window to decorate it. It will add a special touch to any party. Let's go with the next mask. We will need a large cardboard of any color that you want, paper of different colors, a popsicle stick, scissors, a pencil, white glue, and glitter. Let's start by putting the hand on the big cardboard. In your case, you can put the hand of your little one. We fold it in half, and we're going to cut it. As you can see, I didn't cut the thumb, so that it looked better. And when we open it, it looks like this. Now we draw where we want the eyes to go, and we're going to cut it too. Perfect. Now we're going to make some feathers to put on our mask. For that I'm going to fold a piece of paper of any color, and I'm going to make this shape. Then we simply have to cut straight lines to make our feather. Very carefully to not get to the middle part. We separate it, and look! As you can see, I made them in many colors, and I've glued them on the back of my mask. And now this is the part that your kids will love. We're going to make the designs that we want with white glue. You can add all the details that you want. When we have it, we're going to put glitter on top of the white glue. As before, the more colors that you use, the prettier it will be. And here it would be ideal to leave it for a few hours to dry. And when it is completely dry, remove the excess of glitter. You can make it with brush. And look how it turned out! It looks really great, doesn't it? I added the popsicle stick and it looks so cool. Before continuing with the next mask, as always I remind you that we have a lot of resources to download on our website. I'm sure you will find one that your kids love. Let's go with the last mask. We will need a paper plate, scissors, a pencil, temper of the color that you want, white glue, and stickers, beads, or whatever you have to decorate it. We're going to make the shape of our mask on a plate. And we're going to cut it. As we've done with the other masks, we cannot forget the eyes. And now we're going to paint it the color that we want. Today we wanted to make it yellow. When it has dried, it's time to decorate it. With this mask, your kids can use all their creativity, because the possibilities are endless. You can ask them to try to make it symmetrical or simply to do it as they like. What do you think of ours? Let's wait for it to dry and now we show it to you. And here it is! It looks really cool, doesn't it? As you can see, I've also put a popsicle stick, but you can put an elastic band if you like it better. Which of these 3 masks did you like the most? The truth is that they're all completely different, but all of them very cool, right? As we always say, if you make it, we will love it if you send us pictures or tell us about it in the comments. See you next week with a new video. In the meantime, as you know, you have all these that you can watch in our channel. See you soon!